Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with day 16 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. On the 16th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see, it's a die set that says hello. So this is a modern hello with the shadow. Love that. 2.5-inch wide by about an inch tall, okay? Let's look at my example. Here is my December 16th example. Another floral card. So yesterday was December 15th, today the 16th. Look at that. I'm having so much fun with the florals. December 10. I have 3 cards ready to go. Hello, hello, and thanks. All these cards, too, would be great as birthday cards, right? So the hello, my initial thought was to do like balloons and do a birthday card or something, but then it says hello. So then I thought, you know what? Shopping my stash again. Let me see about one of these framed florals where you build up on it and if I could get the right sizing. Yes, I found it. So this is an oldie but goodie. She has been on sale a few times. I will see if she is currently in this sale. I think she might be. I will put it here on the screen. Large die of the month, Spring Reflections. This was back in February. So this is a fabulous set. Let's take a little look. So we have hello with this fun font and the shadow leading to everything else. So in the past, this is a card fully assembled like so. I had another version, but I already sent it to a recipient, so I don't have the second one to show you. But I went back again and did it this way. This is it with an embossing folder and then one of my favorite Glimmer hot foil sentiments, which is no longer in store at Spellbinders. Maybe one day, fingers crossed, they'll bring it back. Birthday unboxing. So this time I went pink flowers. I put gems in the centers. I used this top half. The beauty of this die set is that you get 2 styles of florals, and you can see what my favorite style is. The one with the 3 big flowers. This one has the ones that turn like this. That's the one that I actually gave my friend, so I don't have it to show you. Now, in here, there is a nice oval die for you to use, like so. You see how this one is taller than this? The reason why I did that, the distance between here and here is narrow. I wanted the flowers to be blooming, this not covering that much of it. So I needed something taller. And so what I came in with is the Essential Modern Ovals. And I used one of the ovals in here and extended it out. I had cut this hello in black cardstock for the shadow, yellow for the hello. I just changed it. Cut pink and then put it on top of the yellow. And because I had the black here, I just kept on going with that same color on color. So this is black, and so is that. Oval here, that's in black with the flowers on top, white little flowers, and then pink flowers. For this center, this is not in this set. I just pulled out day 15 from the outline sentiments, that piece right here, just to give me a center, because the centers for these flowers are a little bit bigger. You see? So I just used this one, which I think works very well, and then put a gem on top. This is Spellbinders Opal Gems for the entire thing. So I'm really shopping my stash. In the background, I'm using another favorite embossing folder of mine. This is an embossing folder of the month, Intertwined Lattice. Love, love, love. This one may be on the way out. It's a fabulous embossing folder. And this is a 2D embossing folder, okay? So there you go. I have 2 past Kit Club items, this beautiful, popular, Essential Modern Oval, and I love the layering of the flowers, all inspired by hello. First it was going to be this whole birthday thing, and then it turned out to be a really sweet, pretty floral card. So that's it for day 16. I will definitely be linking my fire sale video here because I have a feeling this one might be in there. I think I saw it. I will be linking all of these items, whether they're in the sale or not, but I have a feeling this one is, and this might be as well. There are some embossing folders. Then again, I think the embossing folders are standard size, smaller. Sticking a pin in what I just said. All 3 of these items have been on sale from time to time. So in the future, I'll refer back to them. But I think this is a nice composition. It's great. You can build everything up, leave this open, and then go back in. Birthday, happy, Love. This would be a great Valentine's card too. Alrighty, crafters. Until the next video, I hope this one inspires you. I hope yesterday inspired you too. Thanks could have been in here as well. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.